Google has been keeping its promise of releasing Android security update every month. The company released security updates in November and last month. It bundled the security update with the Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow update release. Now, Google has started pushing the January Android security update for its Nexus range of devices. In its Nexus security bulletin for the month of January, Google has listed one of the most severe vulnerabilities that could enable remote code execution on an affected device through multiple methods such as email, web browsing, and MMS when processing media files. The company however said that it received no reports of active customer exploitation of the newly reported issues. Some of the other critical security vulnerabilities listed by Google include elevation of privilege vulnerability in miscellaneous SD driver, elevation of privilege vulnerability in the Imagination Technologies driver, elevation of privilege vulnerabilities in Trust Zone, and elevation of privilege vulnerability in kernel. The company also revealed that partners were notified about the issues on December 7 or earlier. Google will be releasing source code patches for the new issues to the Android Open Source Project AOSP repository in the next 48 hours. Unlike the December security update, the January Android security update is purely focused on security fixes. The factory images or Nexus range of devices are also available on Google's Android developers website. Both the OTA update and factory images are for devices running Android 6.0 Marshmallow. The Nexus 5X and Nexus 6P will get the new Android Security OTA update with build MB29P. The Nexus 5 and the Nexus 9 Wi-Fi only and LTE will receive OTA updates with build MB29S. The Nexus 7 Wi-Fi only and LTE will get an update with build MB29O. Nexus Player will start receiving OTA security updates with build MB29T while the Nexus 6 will get MB29S build.